बाद फ़ऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सद्री वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. My name is Maryam. My father's name is Shbir Hussain. My qualification is FSC pre-engineering. I welcome all of you here in this beautiful gathering with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me tell you the purpose of coming outside. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have been discussing a topic where I want to live for the rest of my life. First of all, I am going to give you the outline of my presentation. I have divided my presentation in 3 parts. In my first part, I will tell you why I want to live in Pakistan. In my second part, I will discuss facilities of Pakistan. In my third part, I will tell you some problems of Pakistan, and after that, I will discuss suggestion for Pakistan. Now let's move to my first part. I will tell you why I want to live in Pakistan. I want to stay in Pakistan because I love my country for its ideology. Ideology is a set of ideas which the people of a country want to follow for their rights. We are Muslims and our ideology is Islam. Islam gives us a complete code of life. To achieve Pakistan, our forefathers gave great sacrifices. Country is not just a piece of land. It is not only the collection of mountains, river and valley. It is the heritage of our dream, culture, tradition and our great religion. I love my country because it is the center of my hope and future of dream. Now let's move to my second part. I will discuss facilities of Pakistan. The law of Pakistan are based on the Constitution of Pakistan, which serve as the supreme law of land. Pakistan has a common law of legal system, which is a mix of Islamic, British and local law. There are a lot of hospitals, schools, colleges and universities. There are a lot of banks, hotels, restaurants. There are a lot of parks, supermarkets, bus stand, police station, railway station, court, kachari, etc. In my third part, I will discuss some problems of Pakistan. I will tell you social issues of Pakistan. Pakistan has been facing various challenges such as political instability, corruption, terrorism, poverty. Nonetheless, the obstacles can be surmounted through concerted effort and a positive mindset to this, and education can be a potent solution. After that, I will tell you economic issues of Pakistan. A power crisis is the main economic issues of Pakistan at present moment. We are facing an ever decreasing supply and ever increasing demand. Whole country is affected by power crisis. Now let's move to my third and last part. I will tell you suggestion for Pakistan. Moving forward, Pakistan need to be prioritized reform that promote inclusive political institution, encourage competition, innovation, and invest in human capital development. Only then can Pakistan hope to achieve sustained economic growth and development. But despite all the problems, I want to stay in Pakistan because I love my country. I was born there and grown up here. I eat the things which are grown in my country. I play on its land and communicate with nature. I feel real pride to be a Pakistani because to have no love for it means to have no love for oneself. That's all from my side. Thank you.